welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got today for you tip and trick number 10. So this is in relation to when you are ready to kit up a painting, if that's something that you do, and how I like to label up sort of pots when I don't have stickers to be able to, cut out the little sections and I need to write labels. I tend to write them this way, and I'll explain why as I do it. So let me just zoom in. So let's pretend I'm going to do this painting. So I have 16 different colours. I do have my little circle stickers. They are circles. I'm not sure how easy that is coming out on camera, but they are little circles with diamonds on. But when I'm actually doing the painting, of course, what I'm interested in is the symbol. But when I am kitting up the painting, I need to know the DMC number. I also need to know that when I'm dekitting, because I put them away according to DMC number. So what I do when I create my labels is I tend to just go for a purple pen, basically a nice bold colour that you can see, and I will use that to write out my symbols. Just checking how many are in frame. So we'll go up to 6 there, and I'll move on to another line just so that we can still see it all closely. 8, and then we've got A, C, D, F. I know my daughter does this, but she does it in red. That's the colour that sort of jumps out to her. So I do the symbols in large because that's what I need to see for the chunk of time. The most amount of time I need to be able to see the numbers to be able to put the right colour on the right symbol. But then underneath smaller, I will write the DMC number, which means I can put all these ready on the pots. So we're up to there. I can put all the stickers ready on the pots. I can kit up by popping in the correct DMC numbers if there's DMC numbers on the packet. If it's just got the numbers 1 to 16 on the packet, then I can cross-check it with the canvas before putting it in. But when I go to dekit and I'm using the DMC numbers to put my diamonds away, I've got them handy. I don't need to look at the canvas to do it. I always have the canvas with me when I'm kitting up. I pick out the canvas, I'll pick out the diamonds that go with it, and then I'll kit it all up, get my canvas all prepped, and off I go. Whereas when I'm dekitting, I might have already put the canvas away, I might have already framed the canvas before I put the diamonds away, all that sort of stuff. So I've got the labels for the pots with the DMC numbers. I don't need the canvas, all I need is the diamonds that are left over. Now I know some people do like to label 1 to 16, and they will just use those over and over again for every painting that they do because they'll look at this colour list. However, I don't want to have to look up each time, so I don't want to have to go, oh, okay, K, oh, it's number 16, and get out number 16. I want to look at the symbol K, find the symbol K, and do it that way. So that's a good way to label up your pots if that's something, if you need to. And then you've got a little sticker, which it's not focusing on, of course, because I've just shoved it right in its face. But I have a little sticker with the DMC code on in small, with my symbol on in large, ready to go with the painting and deal. I can just use that for anything then on. So that's my little tip and trick for today, is to create yourself some labels that make sense for how you work. Nice and bold for your symbol, but just make sure your DMC number's there for when you dekit later on. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.